Ever found yourself deep into analyzing a chart, perhaps spotting a perfect entry or exit, only for a pesky ad to pop up and break your focus? Or maybe you've hit that frustrating limit on indicators, wishing you could layer just one more to confirm your bias. If you've spent any time on TradingView, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's an incredible platform, a powerful hub for traders and investors worldwide, but those little limitations on the free version can really start to pinch. So, the big question is, how much does TradingView really cost per month, and more importantly, what do you actually get for your money? We're talking about unlocking the full potential of this charting beast, going beyond the basics to a truly professional experience. Let's break down the different plans, their monthly costs, and what features make each tier worth considering. First off, let's acknowledge the basic plan. Yes, it's free. And for many beginners, it's an excellent starting point. You get access to essential charting tools, various market data, and even paper trading. It's a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with the platform and dip your toes into technical analysis without any financial commitment. However, it comes with limitations: 2 indicators per chart, 1 saved chart layout, and, yes, those ever-present ads. If you're just casually browsing or learning, it's perfectly fine. But as your trading journey progresses, you'll likely find yourself hitting those ceilings pretty quickly. Next up, we have the Essential Plan. This is where things start to get serious, and thankfully, the price isn't too steep. The monthly cost for TradingView Essential is typically around $14.95 USD. For this, you shed those annoying ads, a huge quality of life improvement right there. You also get 5 indicators per chart, which is a significant jump, allowing for more complex analysis. You can save 5 chart layouts, access more historical bars, and get a higher limit on active price and technical alerts. It's ideal for casual to intermediate traders who need a bit more analytical power without breaking the bank. Moving on, we come to the Plus plan, which generally runs about $29.95 USD per month. This tier is designed for intermediate to more active traders. The benefits here are substantial. You can have 10 indicators per chart, which is fantastic for multi-indicator strategies. The number of charts per tab increases to 4, meaning you can monitor multiple assets or time frames simultaneously without constantly switching tabs. You also get a much higher limit on alerts, typically around 100 price and technical alerts, ensuring you don't miss key market movements. Plus also offers more parallel chart connections and access to more extended historical data. This is where you really start feeling the freedom and flexibility that a paid TradingView account offers. Finally, for the serious traders, analysts, and professionals, there's the Premium plan. This is the top tier, non-professional option, usually costing around $59.95 USD per month. With Premium, you essentially unlock everything TradingView has to offer for the individual user. We're talking 25 indicators per chart, 8 charts per tab, and a whopping 400 active price and technical alerts. You also gain access to the most extensive historical data, second-based alerts for ultra-precise timing, and priority customer support. Features like auto chart patterns and time price opportunities become available, offering deeper analytical insights. If you're a high-volume trader or someone who relies heavily on in-depth technical analysis, Premium is designed to provide you with all the tools you need without any compromises. It's worth noting that TradingView often offers discounts for annual subscriptions, usually around 17% off the monthly price, which can effectively give you about 2 months free per year. There are also higher-tier professional plans like Expert and Ultimate for institutional or extremely demanding users, but for the vast majority of individual traders, Premium is the highest you typically go. Choosing the right plan really boils down to your trading style and needs. Are you a beginner just getting started? The free plan is your best friend. Are you an active day trader who needs to monitor multiple charts and use a comprehensive set of indicators? Then Plus or Premium will be invaluable. The ad-free experience alone can be a game-changer for focus, and the increased limits on indicators and alerts provide a significant edge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.